think someone's in the house. Go and check.
Oh, hell no.
For a reason, I can tell her all my secrets, cause I know that she gon' keep her.
What is it without me? Don't go do nothing without me. This is a blessing, Mashallah with light.
Ursula was all like, she ain't gonna get him with no voice. Until he asked me what that mouth do.
Oh my god, my butt's too big. Sweetie, yo, it's fine. I look fat now. I said look fine, bitch!
Alright, I can do this. Are you kidding me? Tell me you're doing it wrong. I can tell!
I know I am. But what is she?
I look good. My eyebrows are on fleek. My makeup is cute. My hair is pretty. I'm so fancy.
Show me your mad face.
What is going on here? Breakfast!
Because the track phone, it doesn't have a lot of minutes on it. And I already called so many people like Angelica.
It's confirmed Ratchet girls are demons. They want that 666 game. 6 feet tall or more, 6 inches or more, 6-pack. Swear.
Don't hate me because I'm perfect.
And she's like, oh my god, you're such a bitch. I'm like, no, I'm not. You're a bitch. Like, I fucking snapped.
It's like, who's your ride home?
Gabby, why do you have to be the winner? Gabby, everybody hates you. I'm telling my mommy.
The whammy. Come through with the whammy. Come through with the whammy. Come through with the whammy.